Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel QA Pulse, where quality meets precision. Today I am going to tell you about the boundary value analysis. What is boundary value analysis? I hope you have heard this term before. Boundary value analysis is a software testing technique used to check input edges of a system. What does that mean? It means that BVA is a method that focuses on verifying how a system behaves at its boundaries, where errors are most likely to occur. Instead of testing a wide range of random values, BVA emphasize testing at specific critical points, such as minimum value means low boundary, the smallest input value the system is expected to accept. Maximum value, upper boundary, the largest input value the system is expected to accept. And just inside the boundaries and just outside the boundaries means values slightly within the acceptance range, close to the minimum and maximum, and values slightly outside the acceptable range to ensure the system rejects them appropriately. Okay, now let's give an example. Let me explain it through an example. Okay, you suppose you are entering an amusement park and the rules for the roller coaster ride are minimum height is 120 centimeters, maximum height is 200 centimeters. And the operator needs to test their height measuring machine with BVA. So here is how it could go. If a kid measuring 119 centimeter, so I'm sorry, he is not allowed for this ride. Okay, now a kid measuring 120 centimeter, yay, he is in, barely made it. And if a kid measuring 121 centimeter, so he is clearly safe and he can take the ride. Okay, for example, a kid who is measuring, maybe he's a basketball player or what, he's measuring 199 centimeters, so he has also made it and he is in the safe zone. A super tall person measuring 200 centimeter, yes, he can take the ride, but he should be careful with the overhead bar. Okay, now let's assume a person comes with 201 centimeter height, so he is not at all allowed for this ride. Let me give you another example. Consider a system that accepts ages from 18 to 56. So how will you prepare the test cases uh, using boundary value analysis? So if you take 17 is less than 18, so it is invalid. And if the system takes 57, so it is greater than 56, so it will also be invalid. And what will be the valid entries? The minimum maximum value like 18 and 56, then 19, 37, 55, these all are valid, but you have to surely make sure that boundary values are tested properly. Why we should test boundaries? Because boundaries are critical points in any system where inputs transition from valid to invalid. Bugs often hide near these boundaries because systems may not handle extreme or edge case values properly. For example, values like 119 just below the boundary or 201 just above the boundary in a theme park height restriction system are common places where errors might occur. So testing these boundaries ensures the system behaves correctly in these edge cases. So, and remember, if you master the edges, you master the system. What does it mean? It means that thoroughly testing the boundaries of a system gives you confidence that it will work reliably. By focusing on these critical points, you can catch many potential issues without having to test every single input. So always remember, boundaries tested, bugs arrested. Thank you so much guys. Hope you liked the video.